In the next half century, the world is going to experience the largest transfer of wealth from the baby boomers to the Generation Xers. And I believe that there's going to be a lot of people out there that are going to need to have some form of tool that's going to help them manage their newfound assets. I also believe that QuickBooks is an excellent tool for small businesses and for individuals who simply need to do their taxes. On top of that, it does a whole bunch of other things, but a lot of users would prefer to use something simple. QuickBooks is excellent. It's engineered really well, but it also has, with that complexity, it has, it makes it difficult for some users to use the app. It also doesn't work very well with asset management tools because asset management tools require data that QuickBooks doesn't provide. For instance, market information. So I came up with a solution which basically hides the complexity of the accounting for the investors, but it still allows them to manage their assets. And as they go through managing their assets, the information is recorded into QuickBooks, and it allows the assets to be managed more naturally. So I built this new app using the new API, and what I'm going to show you is work in progress, so please bear with me. This is a very simple application. As you can see here, it has the Intuit logo, which means that I'm connected to the application, to the QuickBooks online. I'm going to go in here and create a purchase an asset, and I'll give it a name, new asset. Choose a type. Let's see, intellectual property. Let's say I paid $500 for it today, and I'm going to insert that. So as you can see, it created that asset for me. Again, this is a work in progress, and I have bigger plans for this. Now, just to give you a preview of what I was planning, this is something more in line of what I was hoping to do, but with just 2 days to work on this, it wasn't enough time. So basically, here someone would be able to manage a rental. I also had some other like stocks and portfolio information. Any questions?
Do you manage depreciation adjustments inside the asset manager? Like, can you set
yes,
up the
depreciation will be part of the tool. Again, this is something that's in development. It's not something that's been developed yet. It's a new app.
So how much does the person who's going to use this app need to know about QuickBooks, or he just sort of connects to QuickBooks online?
My hope is that they don't have to know very much at all about QuickBooks. My goal is to make it easy enough for them to use, yet do all of the accounting transactions properly so that their accountant can come back in and see what they've done and make the correct journal entries or whatever they need to do in order to pay their taxes.
Yeah, but will the journal entries happen transparently in the background, or will he have
yes,
to
sort of? Yes,
they do. Okay.
They do.
So is your target demographic an end user, or me as an accountant offering more services to my client? Like, who's managing the app?
This app would run on top of the QuickBooks application. It would allow them not only to use the QuickBooks if they're familiar with it, but if they're not familiar with it, they can simply use the app.
Well, who's them? Is them my client, or is them me as an accountant?
Whoever wants to buy it from the app.com.
Okay.